Hello mga guwaps! Hello world! I am harvesting a potato today. So we will see what's inside in there because it's started to cold now. So let's go harvesting the potato. But we have to cut the plant first like this. It's not really good weather today. It is a rainy day. But I guess I need to harvest them. Oh, there is one. Oh God, I don't like slugs. Oh, I'm scared of slugs. I don't know why. And worms. I guess I am the only farmer that's scared of slugs, snakes, worms, caterpillars. Okay. And then we have this one where we can dig. We'll see what's in there. Tingnan natin kung may laman. Oh, mayroon! Look at them. Oh, they're still small. But we have to harvest them. Try. Maybe there are some left in here. It's nothing. So we're gonna move to the other plants. Ah, they are still small. Look at that. I think they are not ready to harvest yet. But because it is cold now, so I can't wait to harvest them. It looks like I'm gonna other plants. Malamig na kasi ngayon mga guwaps, kaya kailangan na silang ano na, lata na yung ano, yung kapunan. I don't know what's kapunan in Tagalog. Oh. The suel is really good. It's walang laman. Oh my God, isa lang. Dalawa, tapos maliliit pa. Mayroon. Isa. One. Pero maliliit siya. Sobrang kaliit. Oh my God, warm. Warm. Last one. One. Ayan. I think this lot. Okay. My God, not a lot. Good for one cooking only. I think it's better than nothing. On month of August, I think that was quite a lot when I harvested. And this one is, I don't know why, but it's okay. I'm still quite thankful. Alright mga guaps, see you on my next vlog. Please comment below. Give a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye! We need to wash them first for cooking. Ayan na. Basta natin boiled food. But anyway, thank you God for the blessing. So I don't know how long it's gonna be cooked. Maybe 30 minutes? We'll try. We'll see. So, see you in a bit when it's cooked. Okay? So, tamang-tama, 30 minutes talaga naluto yung patatas natin. So, kailangan na natin siyang hanguin. Hanguin mas Tagalog? I don't know. Kasi luto na siya, ayaw ko din ng overcooked potato kasi pangit na ang lasa pag overcooked.